First control, heart rate 77, temperature was feet 96.3.
Okay, that's normal.
Okay, we stick the spiders in front of him. Heart rate 139, and the temperature of his feet dropped to 81.9. And remains that temperature for the rest of the time the spiders are on.
Wow, he actually got cold feet.
An impressive drop of 15 degrees means
Hi.
Beth is heading in the right direction.
Where you going?
Tori's test was inconclusive, so the guys can't call
What
the
if I
result
put the
yet.
camera down here? Will you go get it?
Which means it's Carrie's turn to step up, bare her soul for science.
I knew it was the camera you wanted.
A meal made by
What if
Brad
I put the camera up here? You gonna go get it?
And warm bugs.
Their challenge is to present vegetarian Carrie with a buffet that will cause her pause. A feast of fear to give her cold feet.
Now, preparing this feast, I mean, if you can call it that, has been disgusting. It smells bad. It looks bad. It's gooey. It's slimy. Then, to finish it off, I'll be cutting a slime. I mean, I'm about this close to throwing up myself, and I got a strong stomach. It's the largest